Savvy investors stress test their portfolio to prevent excess leverage risk that could force distress sales. Stress testing involves scenario planning, such as modeling the impact of higher vacancies or rising rates. This reveals vulnerabilities. If properties still cover costs in the stress test, leverage levels are sound. If not, reduce debt or build larger reserves. Pyramine assesses clients' leverage, cash flow, and debt coverage ratios. We stress test vacancy and rate scenarios to determine prudent leverage limits specific to each investor. Don't let surprise shocks spark a downward spiral. Pyramine provides customized stress testing and leverage guidelines so your portfolio stays strong, even in turmoil. Secure your wealth and financial future with Pyramine today.